So we stopped at this estate sale. Just 9 o'clock. Morning. Of course I'm gonna see Terry here. Smells like a basement. Yeah. Has to be very spectacular for me to buy. You know? And I don't like antique, so I like vintage. This is pretty. It's pretty. 25, I can't read it. Interesting. Also, alright. How much is that?
We need it, yeah.
Yes, yes. Upstairs. Upstairs. Is there a sign for clothes?
I don't see this.
Boy, this is... Hey there. I haven't forgotten about you.
Okay, no, whatever.
Trust me, I just haven't gotten there
No,
yet.
I get it.
All right, I'm gonna go upstairs. That's too crowded. Too crowded. All right. I think. Let's see here. That's very nice. $60. Well, that's smaller than I thought. $50. Nope. And he's missing eyeballs. That's cool. Let's say 300. The cups. 32. Cute little trinket. Oh, that's cute. No price. I wonder how much it is with no price.
We'll send us some archive.
Yeah, I hate to pick it up and not knowing. This is pretty, but it's got chips on it. And check it out. I knew it's down. I cannot read it. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's $40. Let's see. Lots of people. I didn't realize it was just opening. I'm like, oh man. Yeah. She's pretty. How much is she? She's $5. Oh, she's stuck in here. I don't see a mark. She's very pretty. Maybe they're working. Oh, it's just pretty. Which is that? 7 or 15 for all of them. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go and check these. I'll be right back. Alright. Nice bottle. It's different. Very different. This is pretty. Much is that? 15. Oh, it's just a shame the top is broken. What a shame. I want 8 on this little fish. Yeah, probably not. These are like the should have been. Interesting. There's no price. No price. No price. This looks like bleak. And I can't tell. $10 for the bottle. Alright. Let's go see what else we have. They have. What's over here? Those are really pretty. These, they're going up. Pretty those are. Those are. These are, it's $5 per glass. This is $30 for the set. How beautiful. Those are gorgeous. Look at this creamer. 20. Germany, that's beautiful. That's really nice. I might take a chance on that creamer. These are gorgeous. This is 80. And it has a chip on it, and they're asking 80. Alright, teacups. I didn't say how much they're asking. 25. And just hey you. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm good. I went to did I tell you I went to Social Security yesterday? The office in North Adams.
Yeah, you did.
And I took a header. I fell.
You did?
I did. The chair went. I ended up going to the ER. Yeah. But I'm fine. I'm just bruised.
You were in the ER 100 years?
No. Total from my house back 3 hours.
What?
Yeah, nobody was in there when I went.
That's great. Well, yeah, I guess it was what day? So, well, I'm surprised for
Yeah. This is nice. $5. I might get that. Of course, I did not bring anything to carry. Yeah, this one is. It's an Ansley. I don't know how much that goes for, but. One's bowed. It's chipped. This looks like Copeland. It is. Sorrento. That's 5 as well. This is pretty. Alright, let's see. I get these two. Alright. And I'm gonna have to figure something out carrying the situation. So I can carry that. Alright, I got it. So, let's go in here. It's very dark. Very dark. Lots of people. Hello. Let's see, I should have brought my bag. price. Not sure. I don't know if these were the packet ones. There's no price on them. Unbelievable. Oops. The beautiful box. Jeez. Freaking stuff. Painted. And is really pretty. This basket. And it's got stuff in it. Can't tell. Leave it. Should look for a basket. Oh, look at that. This is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. And they're asking 25, but you know, I think that might be 10. Alright, let's go in here quick. Let's see. I can't see for nothing. This is yours. You need to go back so much. Not sure what that is even for. Alright. I'm gonna grab these two things right in front of you if you don't mind.
Oh, okay.
Did you want them?
Yeah, I wanted this one.
That's fine.
Okay.
I don't. You're good.
Okay, thanks.
No, no problem. The glass milk. And C's. Custom shop. No. I don't think that's probably. Jar the gates. I'm not sure. Well, let's go find out. I need a bag. I'll need a bag. I'll be.